List of all RTO codes of Karnataka. At number 1, we have Bangalore Central and the RTO code is KA01. At number 2, we have Bangalore West and the RTO code of Bangalore West is KA02. At number 3, we have Bangalore East and the RTO code is KA03. At number 4, we have Bangalore North and the RTO code of Bangalore North is KA04. At number 5, we have Bangalore South and the RTO code is KA05. At number 6, we have Tumakudu and the RTO code is KA06. At number 7, we have Kolar and the RTO code is KA07. At number 8, we have Kolar Gold Fields and the RTO is KA08. At number 9, we have Mysuru West and the RTO code is KA09. At number 10, we have Chamrajanagar and the RTO code is KA10. At number 11, we have Mandya and the RTO code of Mandya is KA11. At number 12, we have Madakedi and RTO code is KA12. At number 13, we have Hassan and the RTO code of Hassan is KA13. At number 14, we have Shivamogga and the RTO code of Shivamogga is KA14. At number 15, we have Sagara and the RTO code of Sagara is KA15. At number 16, we have Chitradurga and the RTO code is KA16. At number 17, we have Davanagiri and the RTO code is KA17. At number 18, we have Chikmagaluru and the RTO code is KA18. At number 19, we have Mangaluru and the RTO code is KA19. At number 20, we have Udupi and the RTO code of Udupi is KA20. At number 21, we have Puttur and the RTO code of Puttur is KA21. At number 22, we have Belgaum and the RTO code is KA22. At number 23, we have Chikodi and the RTO code is KA23. At number 24, we have Belhongal and the RTO code is KA24. At number 25, we have Dharwad and the RTO code of Dharwad is KA25. At number 26, we have Gadag and the RTO code is KA26. At number 27, we have Havedi and the RTO code is KA27. At number 28, we have Vijayapura and the RTO code of Vijayapura is KA28. At number 29, we have Bagalkot and the RTO code is KA29. At number 30, we have Karwad and the RTO code is KA30. At number 31, we have Sirsi and the RTO code of Sirsi is KA31. At number 32, we have Gulbarga and the RTO code of Gulbarga is KA32. At number 33, we have Yadgir and the RTO code is KA33. At number 34, we have Ballari and the RTO code is KA34. At number 35, we have Hospet and the RTO code is KA35. At number 36, we have Raichur and the RTO code of Raichur is KA36. At number 37, we have Kopal and the RTO code is KA37. At number 38, we have Bidar and the RTO code of Bidar is KA38. At number 39, we have Bhalki and the RTO code is KA39. At number 40, we have Chikkaballapur and the RTO code is KA40. At number 41, we have Janana Bharati and the RTO code is KA41. At number 42, we have Ramanagaram and the RTO code is KA42. At number 43, we have Devanahalli and the RTO code is KA43. At number 44, we have Tiptur and the RTO code is KA44. At number 45, we have Hunsur and the RTO code is KA45. At number 46, we have Sakleshpur and the RTO code of Sakleshpur is KA46. At number 47, we have Honawar and the RTO code is KA47. At number 48, we have Jamkhandi and the RTO code is KA48. At number 49, we have Gokak and the RTO code is KA49. At number 50, we have Yelahanka and the RTO code is KA50. At number 51, we have Electronic City and the RTO code of Electronic City is KA51. At number 52 is Neela Mangala and the RTO code is KA52. At number 53, we have Krishna Rajapuram and the RTO code is KA53. At number 54, we have Naga Mangala and the RTO code is KA54. At number 55, we have Mysuru East and the RTO code is KA55. At number 56, we have Basawa Kalyana and the RTO code of Basawa Kalyana is KA56. At number 57, we have Bengaluru STU and AR and the RTO code is KA57. At number 58, we have Banashankari and the RTO code is KA58. At number 59, we have Chandapura and the RTO code is KA59. At number 60, we have RT Nagar and the RTO code of RT Nagar is KA60. At number 61, we have Marathali and the RTO code is KA61. At number 62, we have Surathakal and the RTO code is KA62. At number 63, we have Dharwad East and the RTO code is KA63. At number 64, we have Madhugiri and RT code is K64. At number 65 we have Dandeli and the RT code of Dandeli is K65. At number 66 we have Tarikede and the RT code is K66. At number 67 we have Chintamani and the RT code is K67. At number 68 we have Rani Benur and the RT code of Rani Benur is K68. At number 69 we have Ramdurg and the RT code of Ramdurg is K69. At last we have Bantwal and the RT code of Bantwal is KA70. So friends, I hope you like our video. If you like our video, then please put a like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching our video.